In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Google Slides to PowerPoint. This is perfect when you need to share a deck with someone who uses Microsoft PowerPoint or when you want to present offline with a .pptx file. First, head to Google Slides in your web browser. You can type the address directly or open it from your Google Apps. If you're not already signed in, your browser may prompt you to log in before you see your files. Once the Slides homepage loads, you'll see a grid of your projects. Next, select the presentation you want to convert by clicking on it from your recent files. If you don't see it right away, you can use the search bar at the top or switch to the folder where it's stored. Opening the correct file ensures you're converting the latest version, including any recent edits or comments. With your presentation open, move your cursor to the top left corner and click File. This opens the main menu for actions like sharing, making copies, and exporting. We're going to use this menu to create a PowerPoint version of the current Google Slides file. From the File menu, hover over or click Download. This is where Google Slides lets you export your deck into different formats. You'll notice options like PDF, JPEG, and others. For our purpose, we're focusing on the PowerPoint format. Now choose Microsoft PowerPoint. When you click this option, Google Slides converts your presentation into a .pptx file. Your browser will start downloading it automatically. Depending on your browser settings, it may save straight to your Downloads folder, or it might ask you where to save the file. Keep an eye on the download indicator so you know when it's finished. A quick tip, most text, images, and layouts transfer cleanly, but specialty fonts, advanced animations, or certain add-ons may appear slightly different in PowerPoint. If you rely on custom fonts, consider embedding or substituting with a standard font to maintain consistent appearance. Finally, open the PowerPoint file. You can click the download notification in your browser, or navigate to your Downloads folder and double-click the .pptx file. It should launch in Microsoft PowerPoint and display your slides. Take a moment to flip through the deck, check transitions, and confirm that charts, videos, and links work as expected. If anything looks off, you can make adjustments directly in PowerPoint or return to Google Slides, tweak the content, and export again. That's it. You've successfully converted a Google Slides presentation to a PowerPoint file, ready to share, present, or edit offline. If you found this helpful, review your converted slides before presenting to